Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called Zoomerang AI video maker. So like if you have the video and if you have the basic video editing skill, then you can use this app. Like this app like the others, but the bonus thing, you will get a lot of effects, overlay and more things here. So you can see the rating of the app 3.9 out of 5 and 1 lakh reviews and 79 megabyte size of the app, and you can see like 10 million plus people already use this app. Like if you want to see the more things, video GPT, like create and for fresh juice blender. So like stay here, you can also add the title, and you can see it created by the AI. And templates also, there are a lot of templates available here. AI video, so you can make AI video. You can see this how it looks like. An editor, you can add music and you can remove the background. Like you can get all the feature here that available the other video editing app, but it will do by AI. You just need to give the prompt or text and they'll do it for you. So there are people, many say that it's real good, and some people also said it's bad. You can read before installing this app. So simply tap on the install button. Okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So today is no man. See you in the next video.